name is Sharon Matele and this is my first YouTube video and I'm super excited because it's brand new, you know, and I've never really done this kind of thing before, so please don't judge. I'm first time at this and give me a little bit of grace. So anyway, I hope that you guys really enjoy this video. It's going to be about a song that I wrote called You Are, that a friend of mine named, and really enjoy it. And don't forget to press the like and subscribe button at the end. Okay, this is how it goes.